Hey, what's going on? I'm Jeremy.
Hey, Anderson here.
Hey, Anderson. So what options do we have for sales reps as far as visibility to see their commissions and to dispatch and book loads?
So let me go ahead and show you. So here I'm logged in as a sales rep into the portal. As you can see, I log in, pretty much get the same dashboard as you would if you were like a manager or admin, minus some little tweaks on the staff profile. But I'll see my loads that I have here. These are the ones that are assigned to myself as a sales rep. I have a similar menu with just different permissions available for a sales rep. So if I go to sales reports, and typically as a manager or admin, you'll also see these sales reports, but you may not have anything under my customers or my sales. These are designed specifically for sales reps to use. So if you click on my customers, it'll just show you your active customers that you're assigned to. You go to my sales, you can see your sales activity, for the last however many days you filter out for. By default, it's going to show your last 30 days, but you could just change this filter, you know, as so. And then you'll see, your customers, how many quotes you've done for this customer, how many booked loads, how many delivered shipments, and then your pending commission summary here for that period. And then this is a breakdown of your pending commissions. So, I mean, this is just a great way to get visibility to really, have an overview of your business from, whatever period that you want to search.
Yeah, it just gives the sales rep, I guess, just access to see how much money they're making, where they're trending, and see maybe if they need to improve or just hit the gas a little harder. Would you say?
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's a great tool and, for sales reps to use and, making sure that they take advantage of the reporting.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, thanks for tuning in to this week's edition of Tidbits. We will catch you next week.
Have a
Bye.
good one.